Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Loren again. It's been a while. Today I want to talk about our newest brand that we're carrying, which is Avocado green organic mattresses. Awesome story. Love their messaging. Let's dive into the mattresses and exactly what makes them different. First off, they're basically organic as you could get for a mattress. They have so many certifications. I had to pull it up actually as far as what they have as far as certifications. Their big ones, they have the Global Organic Textile Standard, which is super hard to get. Basically, they're making sure that all the product, all the sourcing materials that goes into their product, it's organic. And even it goes down to them going to the farm and identifying how that product's pulled, the wool, the latex, everything. It's really cool in their story. And actually, this brand just got Consumer Reports #1 mattress for an inner spring mattress as far as their story, the price points, all that stuff super cool on their product. But starting out with their mattress, this is the one that set them up. This is started off their big run on their mattresses. They've sold thousands of these in their stores, and now we're carrying this mattress on our floors as well. This is the Green Standard, is what we call this one. Moving over to this one on the right, this is basically the same mattress, but this one's got a little bit of a pillow top on it. So again, these are certified organic. These ones have a little bit of wool, a little bit of latex in them. They're awesome mattresses. And actually, I've opened up hundreds of mattresses. And when I first opened up that plastic, you usually get that like off-gassing smell, that kind of chemical smell. With these, nothing. Literally, it smells like just like a wool, I don't know, wool ball. And it's really cool. There's like no off-gassing on these beds. Really cool. Just knowing that story is organic. I can testify just opening up hundreds of mattresses. When I opened up this one, I was like, wow, there's like no off-gassing smell. Really cool. And then going to their luxury, this is the Luxe Standard bed. They also make this in a few different sizes. This one's kind of their tight top. They make one with a pillow top, and they make one with a huge box top. Right now we're carrying the tight top. We're also carrying their adjustable bases, same organic story. The way they're sourced, they're all the wood in the product, everything that goes into it's basically all organic. Really cool messaging, and we're glad to partner with these guys. And just to recap it, guys, the beds that we're gonna carry for our avocados, we have the Green Standard mattress. That's what really set them off from the start. We have the green pillow top mattress, and then we have the Luxe Standard mattress at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. Really excited to bring this brand to Appliance Factory. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.